Dear student, today we shall study chapter 3, The Land of Sand. We get mainly sand in Rajasthan. Rajasthan is the most largest desert place. These areas are got very little rainfall. A few trees and cacti types of plants are only grown here. All the areas are covered by sandy only. There are two types of deserts, cold deserts and hot deserts. Most hot deserts located on the western side of the continents. There are seven major hot deserts in the world. Thar Desert, Sahara Desert, Arabian Desert, Kalahari Desert, California Desert, Atacama Desert, and West Australian deserts. Next, Saudi Arabia. The most occupies of Saudi Arabia has the Arabian Peninsula. The Red Sea is in the west and the Persian Gulf is in the east. Most of the Saudi Arabia is a rocky plateaus covered by a vast barren desert. There are mountains located near the Red Sea. There are two great mountains, Rab Al Khali and Ain Nafar in the Saudi Arabia country. Here you see Rab Al Khali and Arabian Gulf. There are no lakes or permanent rivers in Saudi Arabia. The wadis or streams that are formed after the rains last for a shortage time. So there is an acute shortage fresh water in the country. Location: Saudi Arabia is the fifth largest country in Asia. It is surrounded by Jordan, Iran, Iraq, Bahrain, Qatar, Oman, and Yemen. These are the seventh largest country in Saudi Arabia. Climate: Saudi Arabia has an extremely hot and dry climate. The country gets very little rain for several years. The summer season is from May to September. The weather is very hot and dry during the daytime. The nights are relatively cool. The winter season is from October to April. The days are warm while nights are very cold. Next, vegetation. Plants that grow here can withstand the hot and dry weather. Most plants have long roots which go deep into the soil in search of water. They also have soft and fleshy root and stems to store water. The thorny types of cacti and date palm grow here. Next, wildlife. The camel is the most useful animal in the desert. The camel is found here has one dumped its feet adopted oak to burn hot sand. It can live without food and water for many days. This animal is called the sheep of the desert. Many animals are found here like insects, snakes and scorpions live in the desert. Economic activities. A very small part of the Saudi Arabia is suitable for growing crops. Most of the cultivations need the desalty seawater. The other side, falcons, eagles, vultures, rabbits, mice, and live wild here. The main agricultural products are wheat, rice, alfalfa, vegetables, and date palms grow here. Saudi Arabia is one of the largest producers of petroleum in the world. Almost entire incomes to the country like petroleum. Saudi Arabia country is developing in different types of industries such as petrochemicals, petroleum, oil refining, power generation and telecommunication. These industries employ a large number of people. Life of the people. The discovery of the petroleum has changed the lifestyle of the people. Towns and cities have grown soon. The people who were nomads earlier now live a settled life. Most people live by tending flocks of sheep, goats, and camels. Some people still lead a nomadic and traditional life. They move from one place to another place in search of green pasture. They are called nomads. Next, Bedouins. Bedouins lead a very hard life. They live in tent made of camel skin. They get milk from animals and use the hair of these animals to make cloths, tents, and rugs. The lifestyle has been changed and settled in urban areas. The Bedouins move in groups called caravans. Cities. Saudi Arabia has many cities, both old and new. The new cities have all the modern facilities, superhighways, sport facilities, high-rise buildings, and modern utilities. Cities are now being provided in the older cities. Dear students, this much you should understand and get knowledge from this chapter. Okay.